Muscles. Some of you like to build it larger and larger, and some don't have any interest in it. But whether or not muscle building is your hobby, muscles need your constant attention. So let's see how the muscles grow when you exercise and do weightlifting. So before we start, press on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos we upload. So let's start. We have over 600 muscles in our body. With the help of connective tissues, muscles stay connected and bind us together and help us to move. The way you treat your muscles daily determines whether they will grow or not. Now imagine you are standing in front of a chair. You need to lift it. Your brain and the muscles help you to achieve this goal. First, your brain sends a signal to the motor neurons inside your arm. When they receive this message, they fire, causing specific muscles to contract and relax, which pulls the bones in your arm and generate the needed movement. The heavier the chair is, the heavier the brain signal is, and more motor units are involved. Now, what if the chair was made of iron? Your hand alone won't be enough to lift it, so your brain asks for help from other muscles. In this situation, your other hand comes for help. While all this is happening, your muscle fibers undergo another cellular damage. As you expose the muscle into serious stress, they experience microscopic damage, which is a good thing. How can it be a good thing? Seriously? It's a good thing because it makes the muscle more stronger. Let me explain. In response, the injured cells release inflammatory molecules called cytokines that activate the immune system to repair the injury. This is when the muscle building magic happens. The greater the damage, the greater the body will need to repair itself. This cycle of damage and repair makes stronger and stronger muscles daily because they adapt to greater and greater weights. Normally, everyday activities like opening a door, brushing your teeth, and carrying a bag won't give enough stress to your muscle to induce any damage, so that it won't give any new muscle growth. So if you don't give any type of stress into your muscles for a long period of time, they will shrink down and you will look skinny in no time. This process is called muscle atrophy. Muscles require more than just exercise in order to grow. Without proper nutrition, hormones and rest, your body will never ever be able to repair the damaged muscle fibers, so muscle growth will never happen. Proteins in our diet preserves muscle mass by providing building blocks for new tissues in the form of amino acids. Adequate protein consumption together with naturally occurring hormones like insulin, like growth factors, and testosterone helps repair the damaged tissue. This vital process happens when we are at rest, especially during sleep. So if you want to build some muscles, go to the gym, eat right, rest and repeat. You will create the conditions to make your muscles big and strong as possible. Thank you for watching. See you guys soon in another interesting video. Until then, bye bye.